This Sage Oil Vac Lube van is engineered for maintenance in tight job sites and urban environments. The system includes a 60-gallon pumpless waste oil tank and 4 30-gallon pumpless fresh oil tanks. With 10-micron filtration on all fresh oils, this skid delivers clean fluid fast. Fluid is delivered through compact reels, a 3/4-inch waste oil reel, and 2 5/8-inch fresh oil reels, each at 25 feet. Front-mounted control panels allow the technician to operate the skid safely from the ground. LED level sensors provide instant visibility into tank levels, eliminating the need to climb into the van. Onload and offload ports for all tanks allow oil to be vacuum filled from ground level, with an onload speed of 15 to 20 gallons per minute. A used filter receptacle allows filters to drain completely before being vacuumed directly into the waste oil tank. A passenger side awning creates a shaded work area and stores away easily when not in use. Power comes from a Vanair Epic electric compressor, a lithium-powered system that is recharged while driving or by shore power. Technicians can switch between 20 and 10 CFM operation and charge tools using the integrated inverter. Ranger shelving on both sides of the van keeps tools and parts organized and accessible. 4 corner-mounted work lights and strobes ensure safe operation day or night. Like every Sage Oil Vac system, it can be built on your preferred service van. Sage Oil Vac. Faster, safer, cleaner. Call us today.